In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a report on HubSpot to analyze marketing, sales, or business performance data in an organized way. First, log into your HubSpot account and access the main dashboard. Once you are inside, look for the Reports option in the top menu and click on it to open the Reports section. Next, click the Create Report button, usually located at the top of the page. HubSpot will display different types of reports you can create, such as sales reports, marketing reports, contact reports, or campaign performance reports. Choose the report type that best fits what you want to analyze. After that, select the data sources such as contacts, deals, emails, or forms. Then, customize the report by choosing the metrics you want to track, such as number of leads, conversion rate, total sales, or contact growth. HubSpot also allows you to choose how the report will be displayed, such as bar charts, line charts, or tables. After configuring the report, review the information to make sure the data is correct. Now, click Save to store the report in your dashboard. Once saved, you can access the report anytime to monitor the performance of your strategies. Reports help you understand what is working well and what can be improved in your business. And that's it. Now you know how to create a report on HubSpot easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.